Hello. Let's continue on our journey here. We're just still at the beginning of our Hal Leonard Guitar Method 1 book. We're on page 7, number 7. This is our first exercise with 2 lines. So when we get to the end of the first line, we're going to go right into the second line. If you haven't already, like I said at the end of the last video, you should try this without the metronome first, without the video first, rather. And just try to get through the notes, right? We have E, 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 F, G, G, E, E, and so on. You'll probably start out a little slower than that, which is perfectly fine. Just try to get it under your fingers first, and then once you can play through the song by yourself, then you're ready to try it with me and with the metronome. This one's a little tougher. I'm going to start a little bit slower, maybe. Let's see, we'll do 38 for this video. So page 7, number 7, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, and off. Done. Very good. Alright, I'll keep this one short so you can just rewind and try again. But like I said, if that's too fast for you, try it either at a slower metronome speed, maybe 30 or 35, or without the metronome at all, right? Get it under your fingers before you add the metronome. Or if that's too slow for you, what you just did, then try it a little faster, maybe 40, then 45 or 50, whatever you can do. Alright, there's that.